Okay, we're back. And this is where we left off last time. Pretty much exactly where we left off because it is actually the image that we took. The screen grab of Alacrity running. This time, what I want to try to get working rather, is to see if we can take multiple screen grabs. I think I'm going to limit it to maybe one a second or something, just for a couple of seconds, because otherwise we'll actually have to do some encoding, and I don't think I'm quite at the point where I want to try to get that working. That seems like it's going to be a bit of a bigger job to get video encoding working. Hopefully it's similar to audio encoding, but that was a bit tougher than I thought it would be, a bit more complicated than I thought it would be. So yes, let's see if we can get that working. So this is the series of notes I left with last time of potential ways to do that. Get image on every frame is certainly one of them. If I want to test performance, I will have to do something a little smarter than one every second, because I imagine we can keep up with the demand of one a second. I don't think that'll be too difficult. I think the first thing I'm going to do is this. Right, this will be step number one. I don't think I'm going to worry about this until later. And we can keep the event loop, so to speak, pretty simple with this. We just have to basically sleep, or yeah, let's say we basically have to sleep every frame. Whereas with this one, we actually need to listen for events and react to them. Yeah. Getting pretty close to what FFmpeg does if we do this. Right. I remember. Okay. Well, let's not dwell on it too long. I'll get my music plugged in and set up, which I forgot to do. And then we'll start working on a very simple event loop to see if we can get a couple of these. And then we'll see where we go from there. Okay, songs. All right, let's skip that one. Okay. All right, simple event loop. So this is write pix map, which I presume we do somewhere. This is in list window properties. Let's do a couple in here. Right, so this bases it on window name or WM name. I think we'll just postfix them with like a number or something, like Alacrity 1, Alacrity 2, whatever, something like that. I guess we'll just do that in here. At some point we'll need to refactor this code, but we'll hold off for now. Yeah. Already have an N. I have a num. I could reuse num, I guess. We'll take a len. And we'll take this. Yeah, okay. I was really lazy when I did this. I just completely raw dogged the buffer. I mean, okay, let's... There's a non-trivial chance that when I refactor this, I completely forget to change this. Protect buffer overflow. Or protect against buffer overflow. That's, for now, that's whatever. So let's mem copy into buff plus len. Let's, what's a good way of doing that? Let's do it that way. We'll do it like this. True. Get rid of that. And then we'll go right pix map. Actually, I need to get rid of that. But we do need this. Yeah, something like that. But we need a sleep in here. So, do we have a better sleep? Seconds? Well, we'll just do this, it's fine. We'll, okay, let's see how we go with that. So much garbage coming up on my screen. I should probably just turn wall off, to be honest. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, let's try it. Oh. Yeah, I need to move around. Does it... Wait, what? Does it do that every time? Attributes, atoms, atoms, attributes? It shouldn't. Oh. Yeah, those are for different, those are for different windows. So why would that not be writing? So this sleep is only down here. Should I not be writing that? Oh yeah, I'm using STB. I forgot about that. Do I ever sleep somewhere else? Oh, I do. Wait, no, I don't. Just gotta return 0. Ah, yes. I remember. My bad. Let's get rid of that getcha. And then we need to change the window around. And what window is this? This is Firefox. So if I... Come on. There we go. That'll do for now. Okay. That's interesting. Oh. It was actually working. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's maybe unsurprising that worked. But it's good to know that it does. So we can do that. Now I've got to decide which of the two things that I said I wouldn't do, I'm going to do. Am I going to start making this more complex or start trying to render? Because if I start trying to render, we might as well do a refactor to make this code actually usable. Because right now it does like 0 error checking. I'm surprised I didn't get any Firefox. Right, because it's not... Right, because it's not mapped. It should have been mapped for at least some of those, right? So if I do that again... I think what I would like to see... I would like to see a pix map of every window. I would like to know what all these windows are. That's definitely true. That's a class 2. So we've got map state 0, class 2. This is class 1, map state 0. Oh, it's D&D aware, that's nice. Map state 1. Yeah, so this was map state 1. Oh, it's got no window name. But it's map state 1, what is it? It's got no atoms. I don't think there's a unique way of identifying these apart from using their window ID. Which is fair. But does make it slightly confusing. Okay, let's just print them all out. I want to know what these are. I want to know what I'm dealing with. Let's get rid of all those.